So hello everyone, and today I'm going to be cleaning my study table. So let's go. So I have removed most of the stuff and the stuff is all over here. So firstly we are going to clean this one, which mainly has my canvases and my diaries. So while removing all of this stuff, I found these figurines as well, which I was trying to find a long time ago. So now I will be cleaning the dust using a wet cloth, so there must be no stains of any dust or anything. And now I will be arranging some of my journals, not some, many of them. And not to flex, but I have 40 journals and diaries in total. So to arrange all these diaries, I'm going to use this cute astronaut themed book organizer to keep all my diaries in the first section. So I will be keeping these kind of journals at the back of this organizer because I rarely use them, and the journals that I use for everyday purposes, I'm going to keep it in the front section. And this journal is handmade. I made it using cardboard, and this has like these vintage paper, and they smell like coffee because I used coffee to make them. So I am going to arrange the ones that I use frequently now. So the journals which are finished, I'm going to keep them in this basket so they just don't occupy the space in the organizer. So I will be posting my journal too very soon, and these are the journals that I have filled in total. So I guess there are 5 to 6 journals that are filled till top, and now we are going to organize the other mini diaries as well in this, and then we are going to keep the basket over here. So I have arranged the first shelf, and this shelf is mainly for my diaries and journals, and in the other shelf we are going to keep my books and my study materials. So these are all the books and the notebooks that I have to arrange in this one. There are mainly books in this, and some of the registers are for like notes practicing and for other purposes. And for science subject, I mainly use these thin spiral registers, and they've helped me so much throughout my 8th standard and as well as in 9th standard. Pro tip for all of you guys is keep a transparent file or these stick files to keep all of your assignments and important documents in one place. So the last thing I will be adding to my study table is this pen stand, which has some basic study materials and some sticky notes, and I'm going to keep it over here for easy access. And that was all I have to do with my study table. Hope you guys like it. Bye.